Welcome to 2022 Superbike YouTube channel. Before starting this, if you like this video, ring that bell and subscribe to my channel for future updates. Probably the most iconic luxury tourer in motorcycling, Honda's Gold Wing has been the category benchmark for nearly 5 decades. Anytime the subject of traveling long distances in comfort on a motorcycle comes up, Honda's venerable Grand Tourer always deserves mention. The Gold Wing's extensive history has been the result of continual refinement over those 47 years, with the engine going through 6 generations of development from a 999cc 8-valve flat 4-cylinder in 1974 to a 1832cc 24-valve flat 6-cylinder power plant in 2018. Ironically, the original Gold Wing didn't come with a fairing or hard luggage until 1980 with the introduction of the Gold Wing Interstate model. A new die-cast twin-spar aluminum frame sports a double-wishbone Hossack-type front suspension that is similar in concept to BMW's Duolever setup, along with electronically adjustable suspension on the deluxe tour model. The throttle is ride-by-wire with 4 ride modes: HSTC, Honda Selectable Torque Control, ACA Traction Control, Hill Start Assist, along with optional DCT 7-speed transmission and numerous other available extras. As far as color options, the trunkless Gold Wing model is only available in matte nightshade blue as an automatic DCT model, while the Gold Wing Tourer model is available in metallic black or ultra blue metallic in both standard transmission and DCT models. The Gold Wing Tourer airbag automatic DCT, no standard transmission or non-tour model offered, is only available in ultra blue metallic. Big 320mm discs and 6-piston brake calipers up front and a single 316mm rear disc single-piston caliper work with Honda's combined ABS that features automatic front-rear bias alteration based on chassis pitch and vehicle speed. This means no matter if you use just a front brake lever or rear brake pedal, the braking is always blended to provide secure, excellent braking performance every time. Standard features on both the Gold Wing Tourer and Gold Wing include Honda's combined ABS setup that is equipped with an additional automatic bias system that changes front-rear brake pressure according to chassis pitch and vehicle speed. Throttle actuation is ride-by-wire, with 4 ride modes: Tour, Sport, Eco, Rain, with individually tailored throttle response, traction control, and power delivery. Cruise control and smart key fobs are also standard on all Gold Wing models. Suspension spring preload can be electronically set to 4 different settings: single rider, rider with luggage, rider with passenger, and rider-passenger with luggage. Hill Start Assist momentarily holds the bike in place on an incline if you've released the brakes prior to applying throttle. All Gold Wing models come with heated grips and seats, both rider and passenger. Maneuvering the big gold wing into a parking space is aided by the reverse gear on the standard transmission models and walking mode on the DCT automatic transmission models that slowly rolls the bike forward or backward. The windscreen is electrically adjustable, with the Tour versions moving through a 4.9-inch range and the Gold Wings through a 4.1-inch range. And the world's only production motorcycle equipped with an airbag, the Gold Wing Tour Airbag DCT model, helps prevent rider injuries in the event of a frontal collision. A full-color 7-inch TFT infotainment display allows you to view your control settings on numerous aspects of the Gold Wing, which now includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility for seamless integration with your smartphone, permitting usage of navigational, music, phone, and other apps via any Bluetooth motorcycle headset. A small, locking compartment just in front of the rider allows storage for your smartphone, along with a USB port for charging. If you prefer to hear your music from the bike's audio speakers, the Gold Wings speakers were upgraded to 55-watt units for even better sound quality. All Gold Wings are equipped with a standalone navigation program on the TFT display that will work with or without your smartphone. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.